What's up, everybody? 大家好，今天是第5天。Today is the 5th day we learn 10 words together. Without wasting our time, let's go to the words now. Number 1. Think, listen, think, listen. Number 2. 工作 work, 工作 work. Number 3. 拿 take, 拿 take. Number 4. 声音 sound, 声音 sound. Number 5. 吸引人 attractive, 吸引人 attractive. Number 1 here. 最好 the best, 最好 the best. Number 2. 从 from, 从 from. Number 3. 手提袋 handbag, 手提袋 handbag. Number 4. 卡片 card, 卡片 card. Number 5. The last one. 经理 manager, 经理 manager. Let's review the 10 words again one more time. Think, listen,工作 work, 拿 take, 声音 sound, 吸引人 attractive, 最好 the best, 从 from, 手提袋 handbag, 卡片 card, 经理 manager, 谢谢大家。Thank you, everybody. This is the end of today's lesson. See you in the next video. Goodbye.